Namaste. Welcome. One of the most difficult tasks of curling back from the kneel position, Kapotasana, Kapotasana, is how we could safely reach for our feet or our toes, or if you're doing it one leg at a time, your foot and the heel behind you. Generally, back bends would have to be tackled from the foundation. Yeah. So don't attempt to reach back if your foundation is not strong or not fully sorted out. Not only the foundation, there are many issues surrounding this back bend, especially imbalances around the hips. Make sure you have sorted all them out before attempting to curl back and then place your hands to the ground behind you, or even reach for your feet behind you. All right. So this tutorial is provided that your foundation is already strong and you're ready now to reach back. Yeah. I posted a tutorial a while back on the foundation, so make sure you study on them as well for some progressive and safe learning. All right. Pitfall. You don't want to be reaching your arms and the shoulders too far back in an attempt to reach for the feet behind you, the heels behind you, or even the floor behind you. All right. Why? If you reach the arms way back, the mind tells you, yes, the more you reach back, the more you will be able to reach for your feet now. Yeah, because your body will feel heavy doing that, because you're putting the unnecessary weight of your arms and the shoulders to your spine. So you don't want that. All right. So what is a wiser way of doing it actually? Now, it has something to do with your arms externally rotating as they move up and forward, not up and back. Yeah, remember that. Yeah, so you have to change that mindset, that you are reaching the arms back, be able to successfully reach for your feet behind you now. So the arm bones would have to go spiral, external, up and forward, like that, as you suspend the weight of the back. Yeah? So your arms will just go past the line of the head the moment you are ready to reach for your feet behind you already. But throughout the process, unless you are at that stage, they are in front and up. All right, so let's do that. Yeah, Kapotasana. All right. Enter. Now breathing in, slide in and up. Feet, arms, up, forward and up, external. And then just fold them in front, but don't squeeze them. Yeah, keep them hanging up. Breathing in. All right, exhale it. Yeah, you gotta open. As you open the neck and the shoulders, they externally rotate, they spiral up and forward, and they fold in front, not towards the back, actually above and gently forward. Now breathing in. Yeah, this one opens. All right, if you start to feel contraction in the shoulders, you may want to loosen them up a bit, lift them gently up to the shoulder or to the ears, and then spiral them up. And that will create more space through the rest of your upper spine. Good. Breathing in, external, up and forward. Exhale, breathing in. See, exhale it, inhale. Good. External, up and forward. Good. They don't go past the line of the head, they keep rising up. Alright, and then there, the arm bones turn external, so it looks like the palms are going to cup your face, like that, yeah? But they rise up. I'll do my final adjustment. External, up and forward. Fold them in, and then when you're ready to reach, that's the only time they go past the line of the head. The external really rotate. They are actually like you are cupping your face. Okay. And then when you're ready to touch, slide the hands to the sides of the head. Yeah. And then don't fight them. Keep them hanging loose. And then you reach outside of the feet first. And then adjust. All right. And then walk your fingers. Good. Soften a bit. Breathing in. They keep on turning externally, but move them away from the sockets of the spine, the upper spine.
Inhale it, and then slowly, final adjustment. Place your elbows slightly on the ground, and then you're staying. Even in here, they keep that external spiraling action, so then I can breathe. Good. Now the rise. Inhale, slide them back down, gently press. Inhale it. All right, to exit, same as the entry. Inhale, they turn external, palms in, all the way up. And you release the position. And then you flow. Yeah. I suggest you do a downward dog rather than the child's position. To the front. Yeah. And then you flow. Forward. And down. Back to your downward facing dog. Alright. So that's how you do it when you're working on both sides all at once, like the Kapotasana. But you might be at the stage that when you're doing symmetrical ones, you might feel that one shoulder is actually less efficient reaching back. Yeah. And a good way to address the issue is to actually work on asymmetrical back bends. So when one leg is right up the front, so you're doing one side at a time. And I really encourage you to learn the Ekapada Kapotasana. It's more difficult than the kneeling position, because when you're, alright, let me just angle so you can see. So when you are extending one leg to the front, the hips will enjoy less mobility. So this is a true test of your bandhas inside the body working, yeah, for you to be able to rise the spine and extend the spine without you falling over one side. Yeah, and this is a really good way as well to sort out some imbalances around the hips. So I really encourage you to work on that. But the behavior of the arms and together with the rest of your upper back, yeah, remains the same. So let's do that. Yeah, I will do my final adjustment. Yeah. One leg is in front, internal, draw it up. Yeah. Inhale it. Yeah. Lean gently forward so you can scoop it from the tip forward and up. See? Don't pull the arms down. Keep them hanging to the front and up. Inhale, exhale. Good. Breathing in. Listen a bit. External, forward and up. And then fold them. But don't squeeze them. Alright? Keep the neck open together with the rest of the upper spine. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Moving away from the line of the body, but to the front. Good. Open this. You may want to loosen a bit wider. Good. Adjust the spine. And then there. Inhale. Same. External. Forward and up. Good. You don't fight them. Keep them hanging loose. More space. Good. And then from there, when you're ready to reach, palms face in the face. Let the upper back open. When you're ready to reach, slide them to the sides of the head. Reach for the outside of the foot. Adjust. Alright, use the front leg to create more space down the fronts of the hips. Good. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale. Gently, external. Open up the throat. When you're about to touch down, take a light clip up breath. And then gently place your elbows easy on the floor. Keep the arm bones turning externally. Keep rising the spine out of the space of the shoulders. To come back up, same. A light clip of breath. Rise it up. Easy on the arms. One arm at a time or both. Press lightly. Lighten the thighs a bit. Breathing in and exhale. To rise, a light clip of breath. Same with the arm. They go external. Hug them in. Rise them up. Pull the space up. Use the front leg to reset the hips. Up. Right. Knees to floor. And then you flow. Your element. Yeah. Chaturanga. Upward facing. And downward facing dog. Yeah. And then you work the other side. And you work the other side. So that's how you go about it. Yeah, give it that your foundation is strong already. Yeah, so that's how the arms move lightly without you putting the pressure to your spine, so you can spend more time, stop, investigate, feel, and then move deeper, stop, investigate, feel, and then go find the edge, and then carry on with the process. Yeah, so when your arms are relaxed, when your mind is relaxed, the spine can hold the pressure longer, so you are going deeper and deeper and deeper without you feeling tight and rigid as you reach back. And then you will be surprised that your hands are actually down there already where you want them, without you even forcing them to reach all the way back. Alright? So hope you learned something. I'll see you next time. Namaste.